Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking into and doing some basic testing on a dual fuel generator that runs on both gas and propane. I actually got this generator back in 2021 and that's when I recorded this video, but now it's 2025 and I'm giving you a quick review based on a few years of light use. Whether you're camping, prepping for emergencies, or just need reliable power on the go, this one's worth checking out. Let's get into it. Setup is straightforward, and yes, the shipping braces underneath need to be removed before you run it. Now let's talk setup. Installing the wheels and handles only takes about 15 to 20 minutes with the included tools. First, you'll attach the support legs to the frame with the provided bolts and lock nuts. Install the wheels by securing the axle brackets, sliding the wheels on, and locking them in place with the retaining pins. Finally, attach the handles using the included bolts and nuts, but make sure not to over-tighten the handles as that will prevent them from moving freely. For step-by-step visuals and safety tips, be sure to check out the official instruction manual. I'll include a link to the PDF down in the video description. Now let's add oil to the generator. This step is super important. The Duromax doesn't come with oil in the crankcase, so you'll need to add it before starting it for the first time. The manual recommends using 10W30 engine oil, and you'll need about 20 fluid ounces, or 0.6 liters. Make sure your generator is on a level surface. You'll know it's full when the oil reaches the bottom lip of the opening. Don't overfill it or it could damage the motor. Once you've added the right amount, just screw the cap back on and you're all set for the next step. Now that the oil's taken care of, the next step is adding gasoline. Just unscrew the gas cap on top and slowly pour in unleaded gasoline with an octane rating of 87 or higher. This model holds up to 3.96 gallons or 15 liters. Make sure not to fill it all the way to the top. Gas can expand, so it's important to leave at least 1.5 inches of space. Alright, now it's time to start up the generator using gasoline. Just a quick note, I'll mostly be using propane, but I wanted to start it on gas first for this test. First, make sure to turn the main breaker off. It's on the right side of the front panel. This helps prevent any accidental load while starting. Then turn on the gas valve by rotating it clockwise to the vertical position. Next, close the choke by sliding the lever to the left. This restricts the airflow and helps get the engine started. Now, press the engine switch up to start. Once the generator kicks on, let go of the switch and it will automatically move to the run position. After a few seconds of warming up, go ahead and open the choke by sliding the lever to the right. This allows more air into the engine for normal operation. And that's it. The generator should be up and running. Just make sure you've shut off the LPG valve since we're using gasoline for this test. Also, remember not to crank the starter motor for more than 5 seconds at a time. If it doesn't start right away, give it about 10 seconds before trying again. So after everything was said and done, you might be wondering, why did I go with this particular generator? Well, here's the backstory. Back in 2021, we had solar panels installed on our home. The company also offered a backup battery system, but the price was over $15,000, and that was a tough pill to swallow. I realized that I'd only use that battery during power outages, and the rest of the time, it would just sit there doing nothing. It just didn't make financial sense for me. That's when I started exploring alternatives, and that's how I came across the generator to house hookup idea. The concept is pretty simple. Instead of spending a huge amount on a backup battery, I could use a dual fuel generator to power my house during outages. I had the same solar company install a manual transfer switch for me, so now whenever there's a power outage, I just wheel out the generator, plug it in, and it powers my essential circuits. It's not fully automatic, but it works great and gives me peace of mind. On top of that, I also use this generator to power my tools, and it's come in handy quite a few times, even during car wash setups and a few other outdoor projects. Overall, the whole setup, the generator plus the hookup to the house, cost me under $2,000, which is way more affordable than a backup battery. So that's why I chose this generator, and so far it's been working out great for me. Now that we're in 2025, a lot has changed in the world of solar and backup options. If you're considering something similar, it might be worth looking into new battery systems or other hybrid solutions. There are definitely more choices out there now than there were just a few years ago. And that wraps up my quick review and personal experience with the Duromax generator. It's been a solid investment for me, from backing up my house during power outages to helping with outdoor projects and tools. I'm glad I went this route instead of spending a fortune on a battery backup system. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life reviews, DIY tips, and home tech insights. I've also added a link to the manual PDF and a few helpful resources in the description below, so check that out if you're planning to get a generator or hook it up to your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.